Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be taking a look at how to play Mary Had a Little Lamb on a tremolo harmonica with 16 holes. Before we do though, I just want to take a moment to tell you about Lesson Face, a cool way for you to learn, grow and expand your knowledge online. Lesson Face connects students with amazing teachers for live online music, language and arts lessons with a roster of inspiring experts including members of the Met Orchestra, multiple Grammy winners, music school alumni from places like Juilliard, Berklee, Manhattan School of Music and more. If you want to grow beyond my basic music lessons and expand your abilities to a greater potential, then I cannot recommend enough that you click on the link in the description below and check out all that Lesson Face has to offer today. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 6. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 6. And blow into 7 3 times. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, breathe into 6 3 times. Blow into 7. And blow into 9 twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 3 is exactly the same as phrase 1. So let's move on to phrase 4. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 6 twice. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 6. And blow into 5. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the sort of person who prefers learning the harmonica using tabs, then check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned.